If the fan is making a loud or odd noise, determine where the sound is coming from. If the sound is coming from the fan blade, remove the two fan blade cover retention nuts and slide the fan cover down and out. Verify that there is not something caught in the fan blade or that there is not a bent fan blade. Replace the fan blade if needed. If the noise is coming from the top side, remove the top and determine if there is something stuck in the fan motor or there is a bearing issue. If there is debris in the motor, remove and verify that the fan is working correctly. Another source of fan noise could be a bad bearing in the fan. If there is no debris or broken blades and the fan continues to make noise, replace the fan motor.